Told you not to worry, but maybe that's a lie. Honey, what's your hurry? Won't you stay inside? Remember not to get too close to stars. They're never gonna give you love like ours. Where did you go? I should know, but it's cold and I don't wanna be lonely. So show me the way home. I can't lose another life. Someone, cause that might break. If you're gonna die, not by mistake. So where did you go? I should know, but it's cold and I don't wanna be lonely. So tell me you come home, even if it's just a lie.
A day to celebrate this beautiful relationship. Heartiest congratulations to the Sakhuja Parivar. Heartiest congratulations to the Patels on this beautiful day. May I please...
इन हाथों में जब से आया ये हाथ तुम्हारा, जैसे दरिया की हलचल को मिल जाए कोई किनारा। तुम्हारे संग आवारगी भी देती है जैसे सुकून। तुम्हारे संग हर एक लम्हा यादें नहीं मैं भूलूं। तुम हो तो सुबह नहीं है, तुम हो तो शाम हंसी है। एक दुनिया सपनों सी है, तुम हो तो इस पे यकीन है। तुम हो तो सब अच्छा है, तुम हो तो वक्त थमा है। तुम हो तो ये लम्हा है, तुम हो तो इसमें सदा है।
क्या बात है, both are looking lovely. Thank you so much, DJ. Alright, first of all, I think let's have a quick little talk with the beautiful couple. Heartiest congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. How does it feel?
It's very good.
It's very good? Amazing. Amazing. You know, I was observing you when she was walking down the pathway for the Varmala. And when she came to you, the amount of love that you showed, I think it made all of us very teary-eyed. Am I right? Yes or no? Let's have a clap for Parthiv for that. It was so beautiful. But this is an evening for you, celebrating you. So we have a beautiful things lined up for you this evening. Requesting you to please settle down. And of course, we'll start off with the most important speeches, and people who would like to, of course, take a moment to share their excitement, their happiness this evening.
Emotional when I'm saying this, and I hope I take you to every amazing memory, every amazing memory we had together. Yaar, ruk ja yaar, Parthiv. Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm standing here to share a few things about Parthiv from a friend's point of view. Some of you have known him since childhood and some only for the last 3-4 years. But trust me, once you meet Parthiv, you never forget him. I met him when he used to translate every Hindi song into English for absolute no reason. And when Shirdi Wale Sai Baba was the only song in our playlist. I clearly remember him walking into class on the very first day of college with a full-size suitcase. And let's not forget the iconic moment when he slipped in the canteen. A core memory for all of us. Parthiv has always been the annoying brother to me. The kind who somehow made his life, sorry, my bad. Okay. The kind who somehow made his life mission to irritate me 24/7. I still remember the day he ran behind me and threw his super heavy laptop bag at me, and the naive me trusting me thought he would not do that because he's my brother. But guess what? He ended up doing that. So thank you, Parthiv, for always being there for me and for always making sure I'm annoyed at least once a day. I genuinely hope that never changes. From riding around on a two-wheeler with the classic Three Idiot helmet to standing here, marrying the love of your life, our beautiful Ridhima. What a journey, Parthiv. I know Ridhima was perfect for Parthiv the moment I saw him teasing her and she replying with the most savage one-liners. That's when I know, yes, she's the one. Ridhima, thank you for taking care of my Jigri Yaar and handling him better than any of us could ever do. And lastly, a big heartfelt thank you to Patel family and the Sakhuja family for welcoming each other so much, each one of us with so much love. Here's to love, laughter, and lifetime of annoying each other. Love you, Parthiv.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Thank you. All right, let's welcome another very special friend, and that is Rahul. Let's welcome Rahul. Rahul was the one looking really sexy in a sari.
Hi Ridhima. I guess I'm supposed to say a few nice things about Parthiv in case you're still not convinced. Let me warn you, you're going to sign up for a lifetime of happiness, positivity and laughter. He has an abundant supply of bad jokes, random knowledge, wholesome friendship and lots of love. And as someone who knows him for almost 18 years now, I can vouch for that. But regardless of that, Ridhima, thank you for taking one for the team. Handling this ball of energy is not a cakewalk. One of the closest and extremely emotional memories I share with him is the day he left Bombay and moved to Pune. The four of us, Anshul, Darshan, Parthiv and I, were attending a wedding in 2014. We wrapped it, we went back to his house, we walked to his house, we went up to Rajmadhur and the house was more than half empty. That's when it hit that he's really moving and leaving. I thought I would never see him again. But look, here I am, 11 years later. ये मेरा पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ता यार. You grow up, you think friends move, they grow apart, they stop talking to you, but that's not how it works with us. Even though he's moved cities, countries and continents, we try to make it to Pune every year for his birthday. We've roamed forts with Bhavesh uncle, Daksha auntie, aka my Sasuma, and now yours too, has baked cakes for us, yummy food. She's been a mother to us. Nidhi, who's always been a sunflower, she brings so much energy in life in a room. And Badada, of course, for the kindness and the warmth that they have. Each day, each meal, and every single time that we've sat in his balcony and talked about life, all of it is etched in my heart. I'm not even married into the Patels, but I wish I was looking at all of this. What I mean is, it's truly been a family. When Parthiv asked me to speak at his wedding, it was overwhelming and heartwarming, of course. But that's exactly how Parthiv makes you feel. If you've been his friend, relative or neighbor, you'll realize that when you're around Parthit, he makes you feel like everything is achievable, everything is manageable, and everything will work out in your favor. Everything will work out in your favor if you believe in yourself and work hard towards it. But today is not about all of that. I'm so sorry. Today is about celebrating the two of you and celebrating love indeed. Your faith in love has brought nearly 250 of us here. You're right here for the both of you. And I'm so excited for the adventurous life that you're going to live. I'm so fortunate and I can't wait to grow old alongside you guys. Someday be the favorite uncle your kids have. And see you achieve all your milestones. Which is why there's a small poetry I've written. इश्क अगर आसान होता तो हर कोई कर लेता. इश्क अगर आसान होता तो हर कोई कर लेता. खुशियों का मकान होता तो हर कोई घर लेता. पर इश्क के दरवाजे यूं ही नहीं खुलते. अक्सर ऐसे सितारे यूं ही नहीं मिलते. तो क्यों ना मैं इस पल को अपनी आंखों में, अपनी यादों में बसा लूं. अपने दिल को एक छोटा सा झूठ बोलकर आज फंसा लूं कि ये शाम, ये रात, ये शादी थोड़े और दिन चलेगी. पार्थित को उसकी रिदमा हर जन्म मिलेगी. और मैं यूं ही उसका यार बनकर हर बार आऊंगा. उदयपुर के खुले आसमान में तारों को देखकर बड़े दिल से कहूंगा कि आज फतेहगढ़ में प्यार की फतेह हुई है. आज फतेहगढ़ में प्यार की फतेह हुई है. Congratulations, Ridhima and Parthit. I'm going to take this opportunity to overstep and say welcome to the family, Ridhima. You can officially eat Pani Puri, Safe Puri, Dokla for dinner now. Cheers.
Thank you. All right, let's welcome another very special friend, and that is Harshini. Let's welcome Harshini.
Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, I am what you might call the double agent of the wedding. I have been playing for both sides, and I want to take us back to the time I cracked the first case between Parthit and Ridhima. One day Parthit casually says, I'm going for a walk. Very innocent, very normal, very suspicious. Because at that exact moment, Ridhima also suddenly felt the urge to go for a walk around the island. Please, I watch crime thrillers. I know a coordinated operation when I see one. Little did they know, I had already started putting the pieces together. And the pieces were fitting very well. For months they tried to pretend nothing was going on between them. We're all just friends, they said. Sure, and I'm Beyonce. We all saw it. We were basically watching season 1 of their rom-com. It was impossible to ignore how they went out of their way for each other, showed affection, attention, and prioritized each other. None of which was directed at anybody else in the group. What people don't know is that the love story began a long time before that. Long ago, Parthit was taking blockchain lessons. This was his favorite teacher, smart, insightful, inspiring. Little did he know, this teacher would one day become his father-in-law, Rajiv Uncle. Honestly, this is the most wholesome student-teacher arc ever seen.
Actually, I have to tell you this. You see that person there? He's my father-in-law, and he used to teach me.
I see it as a generational thing.
Yes.
Guruji ki daughter ko patana. Talk about embedding yourself in the family ecosystem very early on. Then came the iconic era. Room number 12D and 12E. This shared wall became a new way for them to flirt, knocking back and forth every day, every night. At some point, it felt like the wall wasn't separating them. It was a third wheel. If those walls could talk, I'm sure they'd file a noise complaint. What makes them truly special is how opposite they are. Parthit is like a dog, excited, loyal, and ready to play fetch with life. Ridhima, completely opposite, just like a cat. Calm, mysterious, only shows affection to the chosen one, but also a full-blown detective. I mean, when she joined a startup, she Zillowed the founder's house to find out if they were well-funded. I don't mean Google, I mean Zillowed. So yes, opposite energy sources, but somehow they balance each other perfectly. His focus with her intuition, his enthusiasm with her calm. So here's to the walk that wasn't really a walk, the lecture that was actually destiny, the shared wall that deserves a matchmaking commission, and to the cat and dog who somehow became soulmates. Cheers to the happy couple. May your life together be filled with walls that no longer need to be knocked. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshini. It's time now to welcome another special friend, and that is Kriti. Let's welcome Kriti. Okay, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, for Kriti.
Hi everyone, I'm Kriti, Ridhima's bridesmaid and a friend from college. I want to start off by, of course, congratulating the beautiful bride and groom. And now a few words on Ridhima. I have known her for almost 11 years now, and through those years I have seen Ridhima's cute quirkiness, her witty and funny replies, her love for TikTok. I mean, I feel like she gets all her knowledge from there, and she does not start a sentence without saying, oh, on TikTok I saw this. But most importantly, I have seen her kind and affectionate nature, not just for me, but to everyone around her. Ridhima is, of course, drop dead gorgeous. Parthit, you chose very well. But not only is she beautiful on the outside, she has a beautiful soul. I am so, so grateful to have her in my life as a best friend. Ridhima introduced me to Parthit at our college friends gathering at my apartment. We played a fun party game, which quickly turned and got very competitive. And even through all the leg pulling and the arguing, I saw how much they loved and respected each other. Parthit even let her win in one of the games, and I was sure that there was something about this boy. He always brings such great energy every time I see him, and he's so, so sweet and never hesitates to put Ridhima first. Seeing them on the mandap today brought tears to my eyes, and I was thinking that isse badhiya jodi to kabhi ho hi nahi sakti. You two are so perfect for each other. I love you both so much, and congratulations, you guys.
Thank you so much, Kriti. All right, it's time now to welcome Rishika. Make some noise and welcome Rishika.
If we haven't met yet, I'm Rishika, Ridhima's younger sister. Although, honestly, I've been the older sibling since I was about 5. But before we get into that, I want to address one thing. Ridhima, you look absolutely stunning tonight, right? Can we just get some claps? And I know what you all are thinking. Wow, she looks so much like Rishika. That must be why. And honestly, you're not wrong. We are sisters. But the real reason she looks so good tonight is because I chose her outfit. Yep. They went to India without me, and I still picked the outfit from across the world. So, Parthit and Ridhima, you're welcome, because the pictures will come out great tonight. Now, as I said, I am the younger sister, but honestly, that title has been more symbolic than factual. It all started when I was in kindergarten. Ridhima was 4 years older, so 4th grade. She wore Heelys to school, and Heelys were, for context, shoes with wheels on them. They were absolutely forbidden. I don't know why my parents let her wear them to school. We'll get into that later. But she got in trouble and she didn't know what to do. So instead of going to a teacher or an adult, she ran into my kindergarten classroom. To me, the 5-year-old, who barely knew how to spell my last name at that time, was supposed to help her solve her life crisis at that moment. And it hasn't stopped. I now live 2,500 miles away from her, and I still get texts like, Rishika, the water tastes weird in our house. Or, there's a bug in my room, what do I do? Followed by a photo of said bug. And every time, I'm like, Rhythma, am I supposed to manifest a solution for you?
Followed by
That's the notification sound I get every time I get a text from her, which is every minute. But my personal favorite was very recently. I was in Nashville for my birthday this year, out with my friends. Rhythma knows this, and I get a FaceTime call from her. I answer because I'm like, oh, this must be an emergency. The emergency is, Rishika, I got merch in my eyes. What do I do? And honestly, my first thought wasn't even concern. It was, how did you even find the merch? Because this was the same woman who will call me from inside the house asking, Rishika, where's the masala box? Rishika, where is the bottle opener? And this is also the same woman who will go on a 10-minute monologue about the political history of a random country none of us have ever probably heard of, but she can't locate the haldi in the house that we've been living in for the last 15 years. But you know what? For someone who can't find the masala box, Rhythma has somehow known exactly where I should be going in my life. She's been my unofficial life GPS, quietly paving the way for me in everything. I mean, she did Kumon. Dara was crying as a toddler outside of her room because I wanted to do Kumon next to her. She took AP English. Naturally, I took AP English, even though some people here know how much I hated reading. I was spark noting every single book in that class, but she did it, so I had to do it. She kept a high GPA. I was forced to keep a high GPA. There was a standard in my house. She studied computer engineering and computer science at Rutgers. So of course, guess who did the exact same thing? Rhythma has walked every path first and somehow made it look effortless enough that I decided to follow that path. Before you came along, Parthit, I was actually Rhythma's first life partner. I've seen her through every major era of her life. The big earrings era, the bangs era, every phase you can possibly think of that a teenage girl can go through, I saw it. I survived all of it. So honestly, you're welcome, because I can give you the advice you need to survive the next few phases. But Rhythma, now she's chosen you, Parthit, which tells me one important thing. You must be incredibly patient, because you've already proven you can listen to her 10-minute monologues about some ancient civilization no one asked about. And honestly, I couldn't have picked a better person for her. You balance her, you adore her, and you love her in a way that makes us all feel at peace knowing she's found the perfect life partner. But if you ever have any questions, big or small, whether it's about her quirks, her phases, or where the masala box is, you know who to call. So to Rhythma and Parthit, I'm excited to watch you build a beautiful life together. I wish you a lifetime of laughter, love, and happiness. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Rishika. All right, it's time now to welcome Nidhi. Let's make some noise, guys.
Hi everyone. I'll start with apologizing for my voice. I've screamed way too much for this wedding and I've cried for their wedding, and it's not even my sister, it's Parthit. Anyway, thank you so much for being here and for celebrating Parthit and Rhythma's wedding. For those who don't know me, I'm Parthit's little sister, Nidhi. वैसे मैंने शादी ऑर्गेनाइज करने में कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया है, पर बिना पूछे मैंने अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस बहुत अच्छे से दिए हैं. By obvious laws of siblingship, growing up, I did hate Parthit with all my guts, but he was also my favorite person ever. He was a gentle, cute, and kind child until he decided my birth was the time to be a menace. When he deliberately annoyed me into crying, I remember crying, saying, "आ गधेड़ो कुतरो नालायक, मने आओ भाई केम मळ्यो." But today I thank God that मने आज भाई मळ्यो. Growing up, of course, Papa was my hero, like all dads are. But Parthit, so were you. So were you. I was born into a family with a built-in best friend, a bodyguard, a midnight school arts chart maker because the submission was the next day, and yes, a bully for lifetime. Not many people in the world can say that they have the most amazing, loving, caring sibling. But Parthit, I'm so glad you can say that. Whenever I think of Parthit and Ridhima, I can't help but say this one thing each time. Parthit has finally met his match. The rumors are true. He is the idol child. He is the honar beta of Patel family. Sharma ji ka beta ki mast. Someone so intelligent, caring, capable, funny and good looking is now replacing you. Thanks, Ridhima. Ridhima, I'm so happy he met you. There's truly no one I'd want my brother to marry. No matter how far apart he is from us, I'm so glad to know that he's with someone just as caring, if not more. I hadn't really met Ridhima until May last year, but I was pretty much third wheeling throughout New York with them. But I saw the love, care and playfulness between these two. And it became more and more clearer that no one can adore and love Parthit like you do, Ridhima. I will say this on behalf of my parents, Mummy, Papa and myself. We are extremely excited to welcome you to the Patel family. We are really looking forward to spend more time with you as a family. No pressure, but you're going to be the sister I never had. I know I'm going to sound cliche, but I really mean this. Ridhima, I hope it's as fun growing old with him as it was growing up with him. To the beautiful couple, my bhaiya and bhabhi, here's to the endless laughter and years of tolerating each other. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you. Alright, it's time now to welcome Daksha ji.
गुड इवनिंग एंड जय श्री कृष्ण पधारे पूरा पटेल एंड सपूजा परिवार आप सभी का हृदयपूर्वक धन्यवाद करता है कि आप सभी पार्थिव और रिधिमा की खूबसूरत शादी का हिस्सा बने। पार्थिव मेरा लाडला बेटा, मेरा दुलारा, वेरी सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, मम्मी पापा का प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन देने वाला। भावेश की बात वही बात मुझे समझाए तो मुझे गलत लगती है, बट वही बात पार्थिव मुझे बताए तो यस वो सही होती है। जब पार्थिव न्यूयॉर्क में पढ़ाई के लिए फर्स्ट टाइम जा रहा था तो एक माँ होने के कारण मुझे काफ़ी चिंता थी, बट और मैंने अपने आप को संभालने भी थोड़ा वक्त लगा, बट ठीक हो गया। आफ्टर उसके ग्रेजुएशन में गई तो मैं रिधिमा को मिली तो मुझे लगा कि अब मेरी सारी चिंताएं दूर हो गई है। वेलकम टू आवर पटेल फैमिली, क्रेजी एंड लविंग फैमिली। प्लीज वेलकम रिधिमा।
Whatever imagination of a bahu she had, it's perfectly you. I think she forgot to mention that.
जो भी मतलब मैं सोच रही थी कि मेरी बहू कैसी होगी, रिधिमा इज जस्ट लाइक यू। वही तू मेरी मतलब वही तू है। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Daksha ji. Alright, समय आ गया है to welcome the man who's lost his voice in the past 2 days. And I always say this, being hosting events and weddings all my life, जिस शादी में आवाज जाती है मतलब वो शादी सक्सेसफुल है। So this is for you, sir. आइए राजीव जी ने।
By the way, croaking समझ आती है, आ रही है, मेरी बात समझ आ रही है। Thank you. You know, I'm going to share a few memories that I'm going to keep with me for a lifetime. जब तक मैं हूँ, जब तक है जहाँ, तब तक रहेगी वो बातें यार. So basically, when Ridhima was 2 years old, one fine day she comes to me and says, "Papa, I want a husband." And I looked at her and said, "Ridhima, husband? Why do you need a husband?" Her reaction was, "Arey, he'll get me juice when I'll ask for it." That's good. What else, Ridhima? He'll drive me around. Great, Ridhima. What else? I'm trying to check mark कि मैं क्या करता हूँ. And then she said, "Oh, and then he'll buy me everything that I want." I said, "Great. मम्मी के सारी बातें देख ली हैं." Anyway, it felt like I was listening to a job requirement. Congratulations, Parthiv, on your new job. So please, Parthiv को आगे सब congratulate करेंगे इस new job के लिए. Anyway, Ridhima loved stories. She still loves stories. By the way, do you know one fact about Ridhima? She's on a mission. She's on a mission to read a book from every country in the world. And then she does some TikToks on it. So if you're not following her on TikTok, please do. Ridhima has always been extremely curious. ये जब मेरे ख्याल से 3 साल की थी, around that time, इसको सारी countries के बारे में मालूम था. And one fine day, Bobby Mama was amazed by the fact कि ये countries को identify करती है, पढ़ती है. I mean, this was like 2.5 years old. That's what we are talking about. And she has always been curious. So, one quick thing that I'll tell you about Ridhima. When Ridhima was like 5 years or so, I used to think that Ridhima will turn out to be a tomboy. And many of you may remember Ridhima running around, jumping from one sofa to the other. You remember? NJ Kitty family and Haman family. You have to remember that. Now, looking at Ridhima now, can anyone imagine Ridhima jumping from, sofa to sofa? No, I could not. Anyway, one fine day we were walking on a rocky trail, and there were some, big rocks and all. And she comes to me and says, "Can I climb a rock?" I said, "Yep, sure, why not?" The next thing that happened is I looked back, and she was like roughly 20-25 feet up on a wall. And she's smiling at me. Although that was normal for her. And I'm not joking, at that point I was just frozen there and thinking, should I catch her down there or call 911? What do I do? And she was smiling, she was having fun. So that used to be what Ridhima was when she was growing up. Now, a big transformation, a big transformation happened around when she was 10 years old. And she started to follow fashion, clothes, earrings. And then she found a best friend who had the same interest. Can anyone guess who was the best friend who had the same interest? Reena. Yes. Now they started to bond because now they had a common language of fashion. Yes. And guess what? Who felt left out in all those conversations? Yes, and I have accepted that fact anyway. Now the third one has also come, but she's not as much into the fashion as these two are. So anyway, by early teens, we started to see another transformation in Ridhima. She started to talk, again, she started to have conversations on very interesting topics which were very near and dear to my heart. Things that nobody likes. Many of you have actually mentioned that Ridhima likes to talk about stuff that nobody wants to hear about. But guess what? I have the same interest. In fact, I like to hear whatever Ridhima has to say because that's exactly what I like to hear. Anyway, I'll keep it short. So I'll tell you something interesting that happened. So when Ridhima said, "Hey, I met this guy Parthiv," I was like, I know Ridhima, when you are saying something, it has to be serious. I knew it from that day on. Ridhima will get married to Parthiv. That's it. I knew it. So when, and again I'll come back to that curiosity part. This is a fun story that I want to share with you. Last year, we were going around Udaipur looking for a location, for their wedding. And we were standing, a couple of hundred feet away from Lake Pichola. And all of a sudden, we saw this black bird dive into the water. You remember, Parthiv? And then guess what happened? Me and Ridhima, we ran toward the water because we wanted to know what the bird was doing. And we are just trying to see where the bird is. And here comes Parthiv running after us. You know what that bird is? That bird says XYZ, and we're like, oh, okay, yeah, someone who knows about a bird. Oh yeah, and it goes straight into the water, and then it goes up, and then it swims right, and then it swims left, and then it catches the fish, and then it comes up. And guess what the bird does after that? It eats it. Wow. That was the moment I realized that we have the third member in the Curiosity Club. And guess what? Since that day, Parthiv and I, whenever he comes to our place or we visit him in New York, there is something that comes up wherein we get into this, oh, it does it? Oh, wow, it happens like that. Oh, wow. And Reena is like, यार कुछ और बात कर लो यार. So Parthiv, our Curiosity Club has grown. Welcome to the club, and I'm sure we'll have many interesting conversations, many more than what we had in the past. Anyway, let's move on. वरुण ने मुझे कहा है कम करना है, इसलिए मैं दूसरे पेज पे आ जाता हूँ.
Please go ahead.
So anyway, so over the last year of wedding planning, I watched them make many decisions very respectfully, very calmly. Again, one thing I have to share about Ridhima is she is extremely calm. As a father, I can tell you one thing, and I'm extremely proud of that. आज तक, and I'm not joking, आज तक Ridhima ने मुझे कभी कोई बात के लिए लड़ाई नहीं करी. I'm not joking, and give her a big clap for it. I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, but as a father, I'm proud of it. Anyway, so, but going back to Parthiv and Ridhima, so they have been calmly and respectfully planning this wedding, and they have always operated as a team, and I like that. And that is a rare kind of maturity. At this age, I don't think I had it. I cannot claim that, but you guys have it, and that makes me confident that your relationship will grow and prosper. Anyway, Ridhima and Parthiv, we wish you a life filled with laughter, happiness, and the same beautiful teamwork you always show. So congratulations to both of you. Now, on a personal note, I have to share something with you all. 30 plus years back, मैंने अपने देश की धरती हिंदुस्तान को छोड़ा. जब मैं प्लेन में बैठा तो मेरे को लगा अरे मेरा तो एक ही परिवार था जिसको मैं छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ. And but you know what, life has a different flavor, whatever you want to say. तुम्हें नहीं पता था कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. I am getting so emotional at this point to tell you that मेरे पास एक फैमिली नहीं, अब मेरे पास 4 फैमिली है. एनजे किटी फैमिली, मेरी अपनी फैमिली, मेरे चाचा जी मेरे चाची जी सब यहाँ हैं. हवन ग्रुप फैमिली, and now my new family, the Patel family. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Rajiv ji. Thank you. Can we have a big clap for him, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, so Parthiv, Ridhima, I said in the start, एक छोटी सी surprise है आपके लिए. So I would like your kind attention towards the screen, showing you highlights of the beautiful wedding that you've just witnessed in the past 48 to 72 hours. We'll get this. Guys, can we have a big clap? आमचे.
दर्शन करी येईल मला एक बार पतीचे मंदिरावर फिरा.
जब से लागे मन से तेरे तू जो संग यूं रंग मिला है तुझको निहारे मोरे ने तेनू रब रखा लाजड़ा तेनू रब रखा सारे जहां पे तुझसे सोना और नहीं है कोई दूजा होके कम सारी गलियां चेहरा तेरा
Make some noise!
So let's celebrate love, not just mine and Ridhima's, but the love in this room, the love that has brought us together, and the love that will take us forward as one family. So let's make this wedding one to remember. Enjoy yourselves. Good evening.
Guys, let's give a shout out to Jayesh Photography for putting up this beautiful wedding on cellular. Let's just have a big clap for him, guys, everyone. Alright, we'll have to move the... Guys, make some noise! Guys, let me clap our अरे सीटी तो बजाओ
बदन पे सितारे हुए ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो जरा पास आओ तो जरा पास आओ तो कहना जाए बदन पे सितारे लपे पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए।
Everyone, hands up, hands up, hands up!
तेरी मैं दर्जा करा तैनू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नू तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं दर्जा करा तैनू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नू ओ ओ ओ ओ इश्क तेरा
Superb, superb. Guys, can we make some noise?
सोन परी सोने सी गई है फटोट तक जादूगरी जलवे तेरे हैं परमानेंट हर कोई कहे तू एक्सीलेंट
कोई रोके ना कोई टोके ना
Guys, make some noise!
मिले मौके ना
सहरा तू बांध के आ जा बारात बना रे पालकी में होके सवार चली रे मैं तो अपने साजन के द्वार
सवार चली रे तो अपने साजन के द्वार चली रे
Wow! क्या बात है, guys! Can we have a bigger clap for them, everyone? Alright guys, I want louder cheers from you guys! Come on guys, put your hands up!
जाने क्या हो गया है मुझे दीवाना लोग
मिल ही गया, मिल ही गया। ऐसे एंड होना था।
ओए होए, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। Super, fabulous, fabulous. Make some noise. This one is for you, Ridhima, from Captain.
तैनू की दसा मेरे ने क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए सा तू। तैनू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए सा तू। हाय दिल तू जादू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने दी बता तू। दिल तू जादू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने दी बता तू। Can we have Parthin and Ridhima on the stage, please? सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निग तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी, चानन वर्गा मुख तेरा। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निग तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी, चानन वर्गा मुख तेरा। ये पहाड़ा दी ठंडी हवा तू, मेरा निहारा मेरा रातू। हाय दिल तू जादू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने की वजह तू। दिल तू जादू, दर्द दी वजह तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने की वजह तू। Wow, lovely guys, lovely. Please keep dancing. I see so much love in the air. Thanks to Patel and Saluja. अब बुझ जाने को दिल करता है, तेरी जुल्फों में उलझ जाने को दिल करता है। दिल करता है तुझे कर दूं मैं करीब इतना, कि तेरी सांसों में अब घुल जाने को दिल करता है। हाय दिल तू जादू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने की वजह तू। दिल तू जादू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने की वजह तू। दर्द दी दवा तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे जीने की वजह तू। Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
जद तक मैं जीना मेरे।
Can we have a big clap for them, guys? What a lovely performance. All right, it's time to get the cake in the center. I'd like to invite Parthin, Ridhima. All right, are we ready? Ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3, 2, music! Guys, can we have a big clap? Big clap for Parthin, Ridhima!
I'm right here, 'cause I need
be ready to rock this party, people. Make some noise. Shor to machaiye. Can we have everyone on the floor, guys? All right, we have limited time, so let's make the most of it. All right, people, put your hands up. क्या बात है? Come on, everyone. Can we have Parthiv Ridhima's friends? Kendwa Kawali में भी है तेरी जान. क्या बात है? चली जानी है, चली जानी है. कोई सवाल, वो दस ने कोई जिसने आया जानी है, जान चली जानी है. होय होय. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. दिल मेरा तेरी धड़के आज फिर कितने आज फिर कितने. Put your hands up, baby. क्या बात है? आज फिर कितने आज फिर कितने. मोरनी बनके क्या बात है? Everyone, 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 put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Everyone, here we go, here we go. चढ़ती कुड़ी रंग रंग में सर तेनू बिजली बिजली के जिन्हें उठ गिरती बरसना भी तकनी तारे भी गिर के रहे. सिंड्रेला, hands up, सिंड्रेला तेरी उत्ते आया दिल मेरा कुंगरू पाके नचाया. लुधियाना सारे पीछे लाया, लुधियाना सारे पीछे लाया तेरे तक ते गोरियों ने. Everyone, everyone, hands up, hands up, hands up. शैतान का साला, रब है हमारा. शैतान का साला, रब है हमारा. सब कहे मुझे शैतान का साला. लोग बोले वाला क्या चीज है साला. सब कहे मुझे शैतान का साला. लोग बोले वाला क्या चीज है साला. Everyone, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Everyone, क्या बात है? Come on, क्या बात है? 1, 2. here we go, here we go. Sakhi, 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 Sakhi. Oye, oye. Oh, शराबी क्या शराबी? Alright, people, hands up in the air. 3, 2, 1. क्या बात है? Oh, Sakhi, Sakhi, re, Sakhi, Sakhi. Here we go, here we go. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. क्या बात है? Here we go, here we go. Alright, hands up, hands up, hands up! उड़ती उड़ती अखियों के लड़के पे लड़के थोड़ा शम्मी कपूर हो जाए। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार की चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, वो सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार की चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, वो सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। Hey, hey! Put your hands up, put your hands up. वो सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। Hey, hey! Put your hands up, put your hands up. Put your hands up. क्या बात है? Lovely. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Para para pa para. Para para pa para. Para para pa para. Para para pa. Hi hi. Here we go, here we go. प्यार की ऐसा कहाँ कर दिया, प्यार की राह पे हौसला कर दिया, तो प्यार में ऐसा कहाँ कर दिया, प्यार की राह में हौसला कर दिया, प्यार की राह में हौसला कर दिया। मेरे प्यार की चर्चे हैं ज़बान भर, वो सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार की चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, वो सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर। The next song is for रीना जी। बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए और जाने तमन्ना की धन जा रही हो, पास आओ तेरा जाए, पास आओ तेरा जाए। Here we go. All right, people, put your hands up. Here we go. 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 People at the bar, get your drinks and come forward. सबके हाथ ऊपर. सबके हाथ ऊपर. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, you guys know the action steps.
Are we ready? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या, कहता है अब घबराना क्या, लाल पे जब छूबे बदन हिचकिचाना
शर्माना क्या, खुल के छूओ, खुल के गाओ, आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो. It's the time to disco. Everyone! It's the time to disco. Don't delay, देखो disco. It's the time to disco. Everyone! दिल है मेरा दीवाना क्या, कहता है अब घबराना क्या. बात पे जब झूमे बदन, हिचकिचाना शर्माना क्या, खुल के झूमो, खुल के गाओ, आओ आओ ये खुल के गाओ. 1, 2, 3, go! It's disco. Lovely. It's the time to disco. Don't delay, देखो disco. It's the time to disco. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Everyone hands up! एक बार पार्थिव रिदिमा के लिए शोर तो मचाइए! हाय, 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 हाय. सारी की सारी.
One and only. Here we go, here we go. And I see you looking at me. You so wet. So shake it. Everyone. Hey, disco divane. Baby, won't you dance with me all night? Won't you party, party, party? Won't you count us all alright?
Can we sing together? Sing it together! Together! 3, 2, 1.
प्यारे प्यारे लम्हे, प्यारी प्यारी बातें, सपनों के दिन हैं, सपनों की रातें.
Here we go, here we go. Okay, we're gonna jump, okay? We're gonna jump. 3, 2. Everybody, shout and jump.
Where's the party tonight? Where's the party tonight? सपनों के दिन हैं, सपनों की रातें. Where's the party tonight?
Everyone, we're gonna sing along. This song has to be sounded.
क्यों आजकल मेरे कब खाब ज़्यादा है, लगा खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है. खुदा फकीर आज शहज़ादा है, लगा खुदा का कोई इरादा है. क्या मुझे प्यार है, ऐसा गुमान है. क्या मुझे प्यार है, ऐसा.
You be a fabulous crowd, people. Let's have a big clap for you. All right, let's start seeing some party. Orange Bhai. Be on the stage for this one. Let's get him on the stage. Everyone, everyone, flex. I can see. 2 and go. All right.
मैं मतलब करता हूँ, बाहों में आ सोनिए. लिए सानी तक ऐसी है अदा सानी पे होना ही बिता बाहों में आ सो लिए बस आज रात के लिए सुबह होने ना दे साथ होने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे तू मेरा हीरो
Y he sentido toda mi vida con
जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेñorita मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita
No desvíes la mirada.
Everyone hands up
Quédate cerca de mí.
ओ मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना señorita दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या वो पल को तो आओ सो जाए भूले हम हो तरफ है क्या señorita सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं
Cause you're a sky, cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the fire. A sky full of stars. I think this is it's been an absolute honor and privilege performing for you all. DJ Mosquito in the house, thank you so much, Shadi Vibes. Photography, the Pradeep Palace, Pradeep Nivas.
Thank you.
Chama chama nachi aaje, dhama dham dhol baje, non-stop halla machega. Papa papa beat badi bheed, aaja naya step chhede, non-stop halla machega.
Bolo Shri Ambe.
Guys, you've been lovely tonight. Enjoyed this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
हम मेडिकल खा के हैं वेट 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 अरे एक बार ले लो ना एक बार ले लो यस प्लीज लुक माय कैमरा वेट वेट
अरे इमरान ले ले आप वो ले लो फिर ये ले लेता ओके
धीरे धीरे ले लो थैंक यू सॉरी कोई बात नहीं यस No, I was saying I didn't get to talk to him last night, but I really wanted to tell him. I am उधर पीछे खड़े हैं ना उनको क्या देना?
फोटो